I was really happy with my performance. But of course, there are setbacks po and challenges during the preliminaries. And all I can say is I did my best. I was able to carry the gown beautifully, and I really hope that the people would really love the performance that I've given, especially po sa preliminary po na nangyari po. I think I did really well during the swimsuit competition because isa sa mga favorite segment ko, yung swimsuit competition. And I feel like I really did good, a really good one with that one. And hindi ko sure, pero kasi I'm very excited kung ano yung kakalabasan, of course, sa actual camera and sa video. And all I can say that I give my best. I really,
You did.
yeah, I did it everything. Lahat talaga kung hampas, long strides kung long strides, turn kung turn. And yeah, I really do hope na sana kung after lumabas yung video, sana maging maganda and maging okay yung performance ko. Hello guys, as all of you know, the Maya voting is officially open now, and if you do not have the Maya app yet, please do download its app store or any app store that you have in your phone, and please do vote for me. Remember, there's one free vote every day, and whatever you can, kung gano'n man kalaki or gano'n man kaliit ang inyong pwedeng i-vote sa akin, it all matters po. Thank you so much po and have a great day po. Thank you!